Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Everyday MSDG. And now I'm gonna go to buy my coffee and the accessories because I think it's time to buy now. Kasi what I have recently is very old. It's not very old, but it's about time to buy a new one. So come and join me, Everyday MSDG. Nespresso, everybody. Ah, no. Ayaw. I think can deliver. And here's my coffee accessories and the coffee. Espresso. And I'm going back home. I just have all my coffee accessories and my coffee machine to be delivered on the Sunday. And we will just do our unboxing for the coffee and the rest of the accessories, guys. And yeah, because just now they don't allow us to go and video the area. Hindi pwede, bawal daw to show the area there. So I'll just do my unboxing later. And yes, thank you and enjoy this video, guys. Not your daddy, Nespresso is here. Thank you. Wait, kuya, it's heavy. Come, excuse me. You put it down, thank you.
Why is it so big?
It's the machine. Yay!
The machine's so tiny.
Thank you. My Nespresso machine is already here. Wow, just right in time. I'm gonna drink my coffee now, man. It's a new machine. My old one is going to someone's hand. Yay!
Wow. So cool. So cool. It's so beautiful.
It's beautiful.
We're gonna unbox mommy's coffee from her work. That's 3.
What is from her work? This is not from my work. It's my order.
Yes. It open.
It-
I'm open.
Okay, you unbox it.
Okay, I can.
You.
Wait. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Are you
How about you?
to open unbox the thing? So close.
Of course. Hello, everybody. It's time to unbox our purchases for our new coffee machine, guys. And come and join me and these little ones. And to start from, oh my gosh, Poopa Bear.
Thank you, buddy.
What did she say? Thank you, everybody. Oh my gosh, that's your show already. Margot. She's done. Finally, she's done. Finally. Yeah, so from the set itself, from the set itself, we have a free coffee. These are all the new coffee from their own bar. And we have this all free. let's try this all later. And to start with the purchases that I had. Oh, it's her show. First, okay, Kuya. Come here. Yeah, so it starts from my new cup. So, we start, can you open for me? Up. Be careful because this is a, wow. It's a ceramic, guys. It's also from Nespresso.
Yay!
Margot!
Gigi.
Margot! It's a cup. Bobo.
There's 2 cups.
There's a 2 cups for me and for my husband, for daddy. And wow, my gosh, it's a 2 sides ceramic, 2-way ceramic, so there's no holder. And the lady said there that when it's hot, it will never become hot when the cup will not turn hot because it's ceramic. So it's 100% ceramic, guys. Look at that. Oh, what a beautiful cup. Yeah, it's all from Nespresso. And it's from Nespresso, guys. So be careful, Coco. Oh my gosh, this is from Nespresso. And I purchased this last Friday. And the machine just came today. And just nice, we wanted to unbox this. And the second purchase is from Nespresso as well. It's a mug. It's a small mug, guys. I had a, you open, help me? I had the mug that is a bigger version of this. And for my husband. And the next one is the holder. I used to have a holder, but everything I have, I also changed because it's all not suitable for my new machine. So this is the mug. It's very nice. It's a travel or when you go and make your coffee, bring to work. This can last at least 4 hours. Boo Bear.
What, 4 hours?
4 hours before the warmth will go off. No more warm. Yeah. So, and let's unbox, baby Goose. Dali, let's unbox this. Let's unbox. Come here.
Ready?
Ready? Oh, no. When you unbox, just do it this way. So these are all the, this box is for the coffee, coffee, how do you call that? Coffee stands, the capsules. Yeah, so let's just open it and slowly and gently. Oh, it's not, wow. It's not plastic, but it looks, I don't know how they call it. So I want to make it move. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
You are just blocking my video. And this is the stand also is made of ceramic. Bobo Bear. For a month for coffee, guys, is really a lot. So instead of buying outside, we have to just buy and bring to work because we are both a coffee drinker. So every time we don't know how much we drink a day. So we can save more money from using the machine itself and buying these coffee beans rather than buying outside for coffee. You know how much Starbucks coffee is. And for this purchase, it costs about $83. Yeah, for this coffee. And they have 8 boxes, and each sleeves have
coffee.
Coffee, how do you call that? Coffee capsules like that. And it contains of 10 pieces. Yeah. Okay. And okay, let her. Oh my gosh, it's like a coffee maker.
It's mine.
Give it.
Chocolate. No.
Bobo, it's not chocolate. It's a coffee. You give it. Oh, wow, you're welcome. Oh no, this is a situation in the house where you have the kids and the daughter thinks that this is a chocolate. But it's not chocolate, baby. It's never a
Mommy,
chocolate.
do you want to try the
Yeah, later?
Oh.
Okay, so let's have, let her. So let's try our, and it's time to make a coffee, everybody, and I'm so excited. So just now I've shown you the holder. So it's just like this. So I can put all the capsules inside. And just like this. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, it's very, very beautiful, guys. So this is the one capsule. So I would like to try my hazelnut. So there's a name in here. It's not a hazelnut. And the hazelnut is right now intense. So why the hazelnut is not here? Oh, actually, if we don't have, I have my own one, my own purchase. So I'm gonna try my own hazelnut. And put it here. So let's open. So it's automatic, guys, compared to my last one. Wow. And then you just put like that. And put your coffee mug. And you press down. It's automatic. It will just dispense it of the coffee bean. There you are. I always like to have a coffee with the milk. Oh my gosh, the smell of it is like, oh no, Kuya! The smell of my coffee. And why also I've changed the previous machine. Yeah, you can smell from there. Yeah, the good thing of this coffee, I know it was there for quite a while. This kind of, I think it's on a year already. That this kind of amount of the coffee that you have. Yeah, the bigger per portion. The reason also why I purchased this new machine, even though my machine is still good to still a good working condition, is that because the other machine is that every time I have to drink a coffee, I have to use 2 capsules, which is a little bit costly compared to this. That is, you see, actually everything is inside, and it just read. You see how much coffee in one bean? I can use 1 coffee bean in the water that the coffee that I. So my coffee is done, is made, and I always love to put my coffee. Oh, that's the thing. Oh, great. And I always love my coffee to have a milk. So I press down to automatically close it. Bowl, no. Yeah, you go there, you go there. You don't play there. You can get her burned with my coffee. Thank you. And so. And a little bit only because we don't want to be diabetic, right, Coco? Yeah, so that's it for my coffee. Let's just stir a little bit, and the smell of the aroma of this coffee is very. If you are a coffee lover like me, my goodness, you will really like this one. And let's just try. The best coffee ever. And yeah, she's right. My mug is not hot. Yeah. And yeah, I had done my demo, and I'm just happy to share to you what I just received. Yeah. So I would like to say thank you for watching this video. And you say them and say bye bye to them. You look at them and bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you for watching this video. You see? Thank you for watching my video.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye. See you next time. And mommy, we're gonna enjoy my coffee first. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. See, you did? Thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you, beautiful people.
Subscribe. Bye.
Subscribe, she said. Thank you so much. You see? Bye-bye. I'm Margot Angela. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. Take care. And stay healthy and safe, everybody. Good morning and good evening. And bye-bye. See you next time.
Thanks.